Hey guys, this is Tim and I want to show you how to change out your weed eater head. This is made by DeWalt and it's a quick feed weed eater head. It's supposed to save you a lot of time in replacing the cord as needed, as opposed to taking it apart. You just simply thread it through, wind it up, and you're ready to go. Okay, this is my old worn out weed eater head. As you can see, it's worn out from tapping it to extend the cord out. It's very simple to take off. If you look on the side of your weed eater, you'll see this notched out place, and that's a place where you can insert like a Phillips head screwdriver or a very small flat screwdriver to have a stop or leverage in order to screw off the weed eater head. I don't know if you can see down in here. Let me show a light here. If you can see down in here, there's a notch right here in the weed eater head. If you rotate your weed eater head around, you'll see another notched out place, and that's designed where you can place a screwdriver or something into its place there, and to get leverage and a stop in order to remove it. So to take it off, you want to rotate it clockwise. This is usually to tighten things up. You turn it to the right. To loosen, you turn it to the left, but it's the opposite on the weed eater. It just simply unscrews. Okay. Sometimes you have these extra threads in here, so you can see what the head looks like of the bolt. It just kind of matches up with your new one. Okay, so you want to line these two lines up on your weed eater head. Okay, and then just simply screw it back on. And again, you want to go counterclockwise in order to tighten it up. Okay, you just want to hand tighten, not too much. Then after you use it one time, you just want to double check to make sure it's still pretty snug. Okay, the DeWalt weed eater head comes with, you know, about 10 or 15 feet of weed eater cord, but if you need to replace the cord, then I just want to go ahead and show you that process as well. Okay, to feed through the weed eater cord, you want to make sure these two white lines are in alignment with each other, and then feed it through as straight as possible until it comes out at the other side of the weed eater head. So once you get it fed through there, you want to get both ends of the weed eater cord straight. So you just run it through until you get both ends straight. So I'll go ahead and do that. Okay, then to wind it up, just have these on each end and hold the base of the weed eater head. And you don't want to rotate the top because it'll twist the cords up here on the outside of the weed eater head. So just hold the base of this, press down, and then wind the bottom of this head. Turn it counterclockwise. And so here you go. Okay, so let's try it out. So I think the performance is good, and I would recommend this QUICKFEED DeWalt weed eater head.